So today I'm putting a power plenum on my Avenger Harmonic Barrel Rings. So I'm gonna put them inside the shroud, so it can hold tension throughout the barrel onto the shroud, so it can become one unit, I'm assuming, so it won't vibrate and send your pellet all over the place. And the power plenum comes with this wrench here to exchange. I took numbers already with Vortex 24.7 grains and 25 caliber. I got these sampler slugs, 31 grain, from the same person that made these harmonic barrel rings. And I took some numbers. So this is 11 shots, and that produced an average of 34 foot-pounds. And number of shots was 11. Average shot of all shots was 799. Extreme spread of 22 feet per second. Standard deviation is 7 feet. Temperature was 63 Fahrenheit. Biometric pressure at 30 inches Hg, whatever that means. The grains. The power factor average was 19. The low was 19 and the high was 20. And this is no power plenum test. So once I put the plenum in there and all that good stuff, we're going to see what happens next. So you use a number 3 to degas it. Here is how you degas it right here. And once it starts going, it's going to make noise. So I'm going to start it. You're going to hear it degas. Once it degas, I'm going to take it out of the stock, which is also a number 3. The bolt is right there. This is aftermarket stock. This is just an Avenger. So just counterclockwise. Start off slow. And a little bit more at a time. So there's a grub screw on the back of this block that you take off, and that's a 1.5 millimeter. And then you just start to turn. So I took a little bit of compressed air and tried to see there's no metal shavings in there or anything. I'm gonna take this silicone grease and put some here on this O-ring here. And that's gonna go in the plenum. Take the provided O-ring that, oh, there's already one on the plenum, and they give you a few extra. So put some grease on the plenum. Now I'm about to attach this piece first. I'm assuming everything goes in hand tight. Just screw this back on. Hand tight. Let me give it a little bit more of that. And then we assemble it together, fill it back up with air, and we're going to see what we get. So I got the power plenum installed. Holding air. So the power plenum sticks out a little bit. That's carbon fiber sleeve, carbon fiber bottle, and I still have it around the regulator around 1900, and it produced a little over 30 foot-pounds. So now I got the power plenum in there. We're going to use the same ammo and see what numbers we get. See the same numbers we get.
$882. $861. $864. $871. $865. $864.
So just by high power factor was 19 and that high was at 20. Now it's at 21. Still standard deviation 7 feet. Extreme spread 21 feet per second. Average of all shots was 867 feet. So you gave me almost 100 feet per second just by adding this power plenum. That was 6 shots, same ammo. So what I plan to do, is lift up the regulator, at least to 23, take some shots, and see what happens. But it was at 30 foot, and I reached all the way up to 42 foot, almost 43 foot, 42 pound, 42 feet, a 42-pound gun. So yeah, the power plenum worked.